Hi, I'm Jeremy from Lingo. Yes, this is a Chinese idiom. In this lesson, we're going to learn 大饱口福,大饱口福 Word by word. 大 big, large. 大 big, large. 饱 full, 饱 full. 口 mouth, 口 mouth. 福 blessing, good fortune. 福 blessing, good fortune. So, what is the meaning of 大饱口福? It means it's used to describe, to compliment the other people cook really good food, good cuisine for you. And sometimes it describes the food is really delicious, it's really yummy. Let me give you some examples. 你做的食物真好吃，让我大饱口福。你做的食物真好吃，让我大饱口福。It means your cuisine, the food you cook, right, is really delicious, and this really satisfies my appetite, fulfills my appetite. Here are some extensions. 大饱口福, 口 right here means mouth, right? If you replace mouth as eyes, so it becomes 大饱眼福. 大饱眼福. It means, oh, it really satisfies my, what do you say? We don't have appetite, right? We can have visionary appetite, or appetite for vision, or satisfy my vision satisfaction. Let me give you one example. 这个话剧太精彩了，让我大饱眼福。这个话剧太精彩了，让我大饱眼福。Wow, it means this drama is so great, so spectacular. It really dazzles my eye. It's really wonderful, great. What if you replace 大饱口福, the mouth, with your ear? 大饱耳福,大饱耳福. It means somehow it satisfies your appetite like a audio appetite, or like it's great music satisfy your ear, like you feel really a great sense of satisfaction. Let me give you one example. 这个音乐太好听了，让我大饱耳福。这个音乐太好听了，让我大饱耳福。This music is really great, really wonderful. It really satisfies my audio appetite. So, in our lessons, besides learning 大饱口福, we also learned 大饱眼福, 大饱耳福. It means the same thing. Satisfied appetite, satisfy your visual appetite, your audio appetite. I'm your host Jeremy, and this is Lingo Yes. If you like our program and find our program videos are very helpful, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next episodes. Bye bye.